Hi everyone! In this lesson, we will learn the meaning of the Turkish idiom Göze Girmek. So let's start. Göze girmek. Göze girmek. Göze girmek. Now, the literal meaning of göze girmek is to enter eye, while the figurative meaning of the idiom is to get in someone's good books, or to seem positive or acceptable in someone's eyes. Basically, when you're trying to enter somebody's eyes, it means you are trying to impress that person. Let's see some examples now. Böyle yaparak gözüme girdin. You got in my good books by doing so. Böyle yaparak gözüme girdin. Açık konuştun diye gözümüze girdin. Because you spoke openly, you got in our good books. Açık konuştun diye gözümüze girdin. Müdürün gözüne girmeye çalışıyor. He's trying to get in the director's good books. Müdürün gözüne girmeye çalışıyor. That's it. See you in the next lessons. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel below for more videos on Turkish grammar, vocabulary and pronunciation. Also, if you think this video can benefit somebody else, please share it with them. Last, if you have any comment or request, please provide your feedback in the comment section below and I'll do my best to respond as soon as possible.